All right, so we're gonna do a poor man's lobster. Okay, and what it is, it's cod. Okay, oops, go this way. That's what we got is wild frozen cod, and we're gonna show you what we hope, what we think it's gonna be the results of tasting like lobster.
Poor man's lobster.
Poor man's lobster. So, what are you gonna do first?
Well, I gotta add lemon juice to that water.
She's got to add lemon juice to this water. First,
I'm gonna do part sugar,
bring
part Splenda.
this water to a boil, right?
Yeah, the water has to come to a boil to drop the fish in.
But don't you put you got to put sugar in the water.
Yeah, in a minute.
Okay.
Give me a minute. It doesn't happen all at once.
I'm being scolded
You're rushing me.
as usual.
Well, then stop rushing me.
And what is that, honey?
It's lemon, honey.
Oh, this is Christmas Eve, by the way. What was that noise?
My phone.
Your phone. Oh, okay.
That's okay.
We don't care
It's
about
probably
the phone.
Carrie.
Probably. All right.
There's the lemon, and I don't have like a ton of regular sugar, so I'm going to use part Splenda and part sugar. So there's a fourth of a cup. Yeah, that's like a fourth of a cup.
All righty then.
No, I got to do 2 more.
Oh, I know.
So we'll do Splenda,
Okay.
but I need a whisk because that doesn't tend to break up like sugar.
Okay.
One more. You said a cup.
Okay. So we're going to bring this to a boil,
And we're gonna,
and then we'll drop the cod in there in square little pieces. This is
we have
half.
to wait for it to float.
Yeah, wait for it to float. So while we're waiting for this to come to a boil,
That won't be long.
I'll put this on pause and we'll come right back. And by the way, she made some melted butter.
With onion
Onion and garlic or something?
onion powder and garlic powder.
Oh, look at that.
Either or.
Okay. All right, so let's wait for this to come to a boil and we'll come right back.
And
Yes, it is Christmas Eve, 2025, 12/24/25. So I'm still waiting for the water to boil. Some of our lights went out in the middle here on this Christmas tree, so we'll wait till next year. So we're only 1 day away, so we're not going to fix it this year. All right, let's get back to our lobster. All right. Now, we have to wait for it to float.
it won't take long.
It won't take long?
No. This is like cooking gnocchi. And fish cooks
Aren't
fast.
you going to do them all at the same time?
No, I don't think they'll all fit in there, and I gotta get them out.
You did a lot of them in there. Why wouldn't they fit?
You want to cook? You want to be the cook?
This is what I get all the time.
Talk in your pocket.
This is what I get all the time.
Axel, or whatever his name was.
It says more light needed for super steady.
Hold it steady.
I'm steady. How much light do you want? There you go. Turn on the light. There you go. Does that help you?
Does it help you? Doesn't help me.
Doesn't help me either. All right, let's wait for it to float and we'll be right back. All right, they're starting to float. That one over there wants.
That one's done.
Okay, there's one. Soon they all start floating together.
Yeah, they will. See, that one's coming up.
We're waiting.
They're trying. Oh, that one's trying to come up.
I don't think he said to immediately take it out the minute it floats.
Yes, because you don't want them to fall apart. They fall apart.
It looks like it's pretty
Fish falls apart very easy.
soft. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's way done.
It's gonna be delicious. All right, we're still waiting. I'll put this on pause again just because I don't want to sit here for the whole 9 yards. Okay, well, you guys get the drift. We'll go ahead and pull them all out, and then we'll give it a taste test here in a few minutes. So stand by. Go to the bathroom if you have to. And we'll be right back with a
Too much information.
taste test. All right. And this has to be put on there once.
Yeah, you dump it on top of it, he said.
Okay, we dump it on top. All right. So what is that?
Dill weed.
Dill weed, okay. Little dill weed. Salad goes with it. A glass of wine. And we're ready to go. Oops. Sorry about that.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna do a taste test real quick. Let me put one in my plate here and get a fork. Okay. Yeah, right there. See it? Oh, right there. Oh, okay. Hold on.
Is it good?
They're really good.
See?
Good? All right.
I'll put some onion on there.
Oh, I'm gonna put some onions on there.
Some crispy onions on your salad.
Oh.
Not
All right, well, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Have any comments, let me know. Merry Christmas, and we'll talk to you again on the next video.